we're going to demonstrate how to fit your Imako cosmetic teeth. Before you begin, wash your hands, brush and floss your teeth prior to fitting. Items needed: a mirror, a timer, a bowl of hot water, spoon, and scissors or nail clippers. First, soften the chunk of pink plastic in a bowl of very hot water. Then remove it with a spoon. Roll it out on your palm until you have a thin tube the size of a spaghetti noodle, the width of your palm. You have more than necessary. Keep soft by dipping it in hot water. Turn the Imako teeth upside down and briefly dip it halfway into the hot water to make it receptive to bonding. Attach this pink spaghetti piece to the top edge of the back layer. Refresh the hot water in a bowl and place the teeth face down in the bowl. When the back turns completely clear, take it out. The teeth will be floppy. Use a mirror and pull your lip forward. Insert and position the teeth. Press once very firmly against each of your teeth, then gently rub through your lip to get the pink to lay against your gums. Be sure to keep it still. Use one hand to keep the sides in place and one hand to keep the front in place. Gently support the position for 2 minutes and no longer. Remove the teeth. Let cool until the back layer turns white. Now try it on. If you're not satisfied, melt it back again in hot water. Take it out and roll the top pink part back into the original position, and do the same for the bottom white part. Once in the original position, place it back in hot water and redo the fitting process. Do not allow the device to completely set in your mouth. If the device will not remove easily, swish the hottest water you can withstand to melt the fitting material. Scrape and pinch away any material behind your teeth, bit by bit. Do not use force. Snip off the tip of any points which are formed where 2 teeth meet the gum, or it will cause discomfort. The white beads are used to make projections on the inside surface, which snap between your teeth. Melt 2 beads per missing tooth, and put melted beads on the area where the tooth is missing on the cosmetic shell. Position in mouth, and from behind, press the warm plastic to butt up to neighboring teeth, but not behind them. Let cool until the material is slightly soft, and remove. It's easy to add more, but hard to take away, so be conservative. Eating is not recommended, not for braces, and not a therapeutic device.